Hi there, I'm Richard Lyon. Welcome to the third installment of our training videos for our interactive floor software. Today we're going to be talking about how to create new projects on the software, which is this button up on the top left-hand corner of the main window. Create new project. This allows you to tailor and create custom scenes for the various themes available on the software, which is really good for making your scenes and sessions much more personalized for whatever application you're running. Each one of the scenes is quite different in the way that you create the content, so I will be going through each one individually. So for this particular video, I will just showing you the very basics of how to get to this and navigate away from it. So to create a new project in the software, we press the Create New Project button up on the left-hand corner of the main window, and once we've clicked that, it will show the themes available on your software. Not every single one of these is actually editable. You cannot create new scenes for each of these themes. The ones that you can use are wipe, water, particles, splat, scatter, sound surface, shatter, and on this particular version, music box. I don't think everyone necessarily has that one. That's on the more up-to-date version. So once you have selected the Create New Project button, we can choose which theme we want to create. So for this example, we're going to select wipe. Once I've selected that, it will bring up the creation window. So on the right hand side, you'll see the area where we can load all of our content in. On the bottom, we have the option to save as, run, or back to main menu. We also have the preview pane, which is in the center, the one that says top image here. That allows us to see what we are creating. So once you have finished editing your scene and you are happy with the result, you can turn your attention to the bottom buttons here. So we have back to main menu, save as, and run. Back to main menu will take you back to the main menu. It will give you the options to save before you leave. We can save, so that just allows us to save our progress as we're going through. I do recommend constantly keeping that going just in case you have some kind of problems down the line. Save as allows us to save it as a new file. So instead of saving over the file you're currently working on, it saves as a new one. So you may wish to edit something and change it, but you don't want to change the existing one you have. Run allows us to run the scene that you've created to do a test. So for example, on this one, if I select run, well, do I want to save changes? No, on this occasion. You may wish to, if you haven't made some changes, and that allows us to run. You may wish to make further edits to the scene that you've created. So in order to do that, we just press E for edit, and that will take us back into the creation window. That can also be done at a later date. So for example, I've created a scene that I was happy with, but I want to make a few changes, just a few minor bits here and there. So I load the scene that I have created. So in this particular case, it's dinosaur layer. And then I press E for edit, and that will take us back to the creation window. So that concludes the editing basics. I will be going into more detail of how to edit each individual theme in later videos. So if you want to learn more about that, please go check them out.